Okay, so baking of an image. Baking of an image is basically mean that you may notice that if you have any image, let's consider this as a launch our IC launcher. So it has this type HDPI, mhdpi, xhdpi, and so on. So this is the different resolution of the image. You can see that. Okay, so it is kind of a blur image. This is the sharp image. Okay, so in that uh, what exactly it does is you know that the Android devices are in a different screen size and different screen resolution. So by putting these images separately with the different resolutions will adapt automatically by the system when the screen size change. So it is quite necessary or quite a good practice to back an image and put it in a respective folder. So let's begin that. So I have this image over here, this one or this one, and I want to bake it. So bake it means I want to create that different resolution for that image. So there are many more online tools available, but I prefer this one, uh, imgback.in whatever. Okay, and this is free and you can. Okay, so uh, you just have to drag and drop, or you just have to paste your image here. Okay, let me do that. You just have to do that. Where is this stuff? Actually, I forgot. Okay, okay, and that this image. Okay, this two. Let's take it this one. Okay, so this will upload and this will bake. Okay, this image. So I'm want to bake it for the Android. So click on Android and it will automatically bake everything for you. It will create a RAR file or a zip file for you, and it's downloaded over here, right? So it's that simple. Okay, so I just want to show you that how it looks like and for the property. Okay, let's cut it, paste it over here. Okay, let's extract files. Yes, and we're done. Okay, so in that you can see another folder res and all this hdpi mdpi. So all these images you have to copy paste in your respective folder. Okay, that's what, and that's all about this videos. If you have any query, then please ask in the comment box. Thank you.